Hello, this is Erica Lozano, and I'm here with another video, this time the extra credit for Module 4. This question relates to why your feet on carpet and tile in the cold, which we don't experience very much here, would feel differently from each other. In order to understand why, there are terms that you need to understand. First, one is specific heat capacity, which is the quantity of heat per unit mass required to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. The other term that's important to know is conduction, which means the transfer of heat energy by molecular and electron collisions within a substance. This is usually a solid. What is a good conductor of heat? Solids with outer electrons that are moving around and colliding more readily. Metals like silver have plenty of electrons colliding and carrying energy. The important thing is that they are making connections with other molecules or electrons, both within the object and with the environment around them. So it gives more opportunity to transfer energy, like heat energy, and this makes metal a great conductor. When the molecules, and on the lower level, the electrons, aren't bouncing around and touching each other as much, it makes sense that there's less opportunity for them to pass on or conduct their heat. The opposite of this is an insulator. An insulator impedes the transfer of heat. Most liquids and gases, styrofoam, wood, wool, straw, paper, and cork are all good insulators. This is because their electrons are firmly attached to each other and less bouncing around. So here's the big question. Why do your feet feel warmer on a rug than a tile floor on a cold day? Now, excuse my terrible drawing. I have no idea how to draw feet. So the first thing you might think is maybe the tile is colder. That's not true. Everything in your heated or air-conditioned room in that house, wherever your feet are touching, is assumedly about the same temperature. But that doesn't make sense, right? First thought, why would the rug and tile feel different if they're not different in temperature? Answer is physics. Because tile is a better conductor of heat than wood. More heat is readily conducted out of your feet and into the tile. So when you step on the carpet, you're not feeling the carpet sap your heat away from your body. It is, but not as much, not at the same rate than the tile, because the tile is sucking it right out. By the way, if the carpet, tile, and your feet were the same temperature, you wouldn't even be able to perceive either as hot or cold. It would just feel the same.